Guys, let's talk. Custom dealt with me. I've been waiting for my order for almost 2 months. Custom heard it. Tell me the thing is heavy. I should come and pay money. Getting there, they said, my package is very heavy, that they will charge me up to like 300. We went back and forth, back and forth. I was supposed to get the package that same day because the man promised in 2 hours time, the package will be given to me. Almost 4 hours, and he said, we are closing now. Custom has refused to release your package. But don't worry, tomorrow very early in the morning, they will bring it to my doorstep. Guess what? Tomorrow turn next tomorrow. See me for like 1 week. Finally, he arrived yesterday.
This is exactly what I've been waiting for.
And I'm so happy he's here. And if you are seeing these 2 bikes, guess what? Which one do you think is supposed to be heavier? Looking at weight, this one is smaller. You think this one is lighter, right? That's what you would think. Oh. But this guy is light. In fact, I cannot do that with this bike. Even if I have to remove the battery. This small one, in fact, this one, the tire is heavier than this tire. I bought this on Facebook Market. This bike does not have any electric component, as you can see. It's just cable. Nothing like electric right here. Let me show you a few things I like and I don't like on this bike. I like the frame. That's the reason why I got the bike, because I like the space here. If you want to do any e-bike build, make sure you buy a frame that has space here so that you can mount your batteries and plenty other things. The battery, controller and whatnot, anything you want to mount here. I like fat tires. I mean, it's more stable while you ride. The aesthetic, apart from that, nothing else, because majority nothing else. The first thing I don't like, the thing I hate, the stand. This stand, another thing I hate the most is this seat. Yeah, I hate this seat. This seat can injure your balls. And already I've ordered another seat. I don't know how long it's going to take, but I'll wait for it to come, and I can't wait to swap this seat out for something better. In fact, if I'm tired with it before the other seat comes, I don't mind removing this one and replacing it. And the other thing I hate about this bike, I hate plenty things. I don't like plenty things about this bike, but of course, we just have to work around it. You work with what you are able to get. You know, I don't like this handle. The handlebars is too short. And you need a long handlebar for more stability. I will have to replace this, and I already have a handlebar coming on the way. I already shipped that one. And yeah, the shock doesn't work. I think I will need to change the choke. Let me quickly show you guys what I have in the kit, and then let's see what we can do today, because I'm sure I cannot finish this build in 1 day, because it's my first time actually doing a build video where I upgrade e-bike. Building e-bike is more expensive than buying an already made bike direct from the company. If you are buying a bike that is made from the company already, is cheaper because they made that in bulk. But if you are building one, you are building it to your specification, and building anything to your specification is not cheap. Custom, if you want to make it from scratch and say, okay, I want so power, I want this power, I want so battery, I want it to be built to a way I know I will ride and be happy, bro, it's not going to be cheap. Except you already have like this. Maybe you have e-bike before and you just want to upgrade one thing. Okay, you price and you get it and you fix it on it. and you want to upgrade the battery, you buy only battery. But if you want to do a custom build, bro, you have to buy everything. You want to buy everything and start building. It's not cheap. It depends on the power that you want. And let me quickly show you guys what come in the kit.
I'm semi, I stay automatic. Money add then multiply. I call it mathematics.
This is my entire life savings. I'm about to boss now. This is everything. And this is my dream inside this box. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, away from every distraction, let's open this up. The paperwork here, I don't know what it is. I don't know, but there's plenty paperwork here. I don't know the reason for this. If you have seen something like this before, please let me know in the comment section. Is it a sticker? If you know what that is, kindly let us know. Whoa! My entire life savings, so this is everything. So this right here will be the controller. Let's open the controller. This controller is big. I was not expecting to see this bag in the kit, but I'm happy it's here. And it's not looking bad. It's not looking bad at all. Let's see what this is. And I think this is a glove. Another one. Of course, they know you are buying a super bike, so they gave you something you can actually ride with. Jeez, I love it. What is this now? Face mask. Woo, nice, nice. I told you I haven't opened this thing. It's not like I've opened it before. I'm pretending that I've seen it before. No, this is a face mask and I love it. But I prefer black. I wish it was black. Now, here we have installation guide. We'll talk about that later. Yeah, there should be some wirings. I just hope this thing is correct. This is the main deal, bro. I swear this thing is heavy. This thing is heavy, not be like. So sweet, bro. Some carton. Be careful. Wow. 72 FFD. Can you see what's written here? As you can read, what's written there? This camera has refused to focus, okay? Yes. It's so heavy, man. What? Right here, you see? 5,000 watts. 26-inch, 70 volts. I'll just put this back here and leave it here for now. These spokes are thick. You see? And see what is in. See what's in here. Goggle! Wow! Yeah! Yeah, bro! I needed this. What? Goggles. Since they appear, still not free. Guys, how do I look, bro? Now, let me check from this camera. Oh shit. I look tough, right? Because they know you're going to match some speed, bro. Now let's move to the table. I just want to show you everything that comes in the box again. We got these nice gloves. We got a face mask. This was a gift from the vendor I got everything from. And then this fine goggle here for riders. I got this. I love these. So here is the controller bag and the controller is inside. This is my air pump. I use this to pump my tires. That's the reason why it's here. Yeah, this is a hammer in case I want to hit anything. In case I want to break anything from the bike. Anything that wants to obstruct me will be giving a heavy hit. And yeah, this is the charger that came in with this battery. The battery, 48 volts, 40 amps battery. Guess what? This thing gets really hot, and I wish there's a fan in it. I will know that okay, this charger will last for a long time. Like this one has a fan, so as it's charging your battery, it's cooling the charger. But this one gets really hot to the touch. So what I would do, maybe I would just use a soldering iron to add some holes. I'll be scared to leave the house and leave this charging. So I can confidently plug my battery with this and know that when I come back home, my battery will be full. But if I try it with this, where I know it gets really hot, I don't want to experience fire. I know battery fire is not something anybody should experience. Right, the reason why I have spoons here is because I'll be opening, in case I want to change the tires. I want to change the tires of the bike. So I will need this spoon to, to remove the tires and fix new tires. Right, this is my pump. I already mentioned that earlier. Right, so these are connectors that I will be using to connect the battery to the controller. So for the controller to be able to power the motor. So these are ST60 controller, the male and the female. So there you go. This is the key that this key is for the battery. In case you want to lock your battery, you don't want anyone to steal your battery, so you have to lock it. So this is the key. Right, let's open this up right now. This is what the knife is used for. This, I'll be careful not to drop anything. This is used to connect the controller and every other component here. Of course, you see that this is what this is used for connecting the phase lines. This is what you use. We'll just keep it here because I'm putting it back. Whoa, I can't believe I ordered this thing again and it came in the kit. I told you guys I haven't opened this thing, and because I didn't check, now I ordered a second one. What is it? Torque arms. These are torque arms. This will help hold your hub motor from pulling. is the electric brake. So when you hold the brake, it sends signals to the controller. So that's why you need an electric brake. Here is the throttle. It's a thumb throttle. So as you are pressing this, it's moving. As you are pressing this, it's moving. This is the PAS. PAS is the pedal assist. So this helps you when you want to pedal, and then when you pedal, it assists. All these are like it's a magnet. So when this turns, in this turn with your pedal, it sends a signal to the controller that this person is pedaling and we need to assist him. So it assists you as you pedal to see what comes. Here we go. For slicing, right? What's here? What do we have here? I think this is the screen. Oh wow, this is the screen. Can you see? This is the screen. No, I shouldn't open this thing right now. What do we have here? Do I need my knife? I think I do. Now, let's slice open. I think I need to be careful here. I don't know what's in here, so I don't damage it. Alright. Cassette. This thing came with a cassette. And I have... Wow. Wow. I thought this thing was supposed to come with one. This will make my life easy actually. Because... Wow. How many speeds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I was planning to order this thing. I was planning to order. Patient dog eats the fattest bone. Yeah, handle. Boom, boom. Here you go. Just in case you prefer this instead of thumb. And that's it for everything that came in the box. You already see I think they are all basically, everything is complete. I can't complain. I got everything I paid for. This is not what I ordered versus what I got. I got what I ordered for and I got more. Like this, I got this. I got the glove, face mask, goggles. What else am I looking for? So there you have it, guys. Let's go. From here, we'll be installing the kit and see how that goes. Guess this is my first kit installation, and of course, I'm going to, make some few errors. Well, hopefully the error doesn't cost me money. I don't know, but anyhow, guys, let's go.